Brisbane River, and we're kind of cheating because we're dropping stuff off instead of hiking it in the kayaks. And we've got firewood. There's some good tucker in there. We're almost ready to launch. There's a few kayaks, you can count them. Loading them up. It's all a strategic exercise to get it in the kayaks. Here we go, launch time. Bertie's mad for it. Mad for it. Well, nobody's capsized so far. And we're away. Yeah, Bertie doesn't know what happened. I couldn't take video, it was too chaotic, but it was very funny. Bertie didn't make it through, Charlie capsized, and we haven't even gone 200 metres.
Whoa! Uh-oh! No! Tupperware!
I got it.
Oh, you got it?
At this point, shall I just walk it? That's a stroner, folks.
A stroner, there we go. He got kind of pinned and then he went over. Bertie. Having a little break. That's the consequence of capsizing your kayak. One of the few surviving honeybees around the place. Bertie's upstream, I think he's having a few problems there. Where is he? It was a bad idea to put him in that one, it's more unstable than the one he was on. Oh, almost out, almost out. Oh, he's out. Break number 2. Not too far down the river. Beautiful. There's a bit of a rapid point here and we've had a few guys hold up. I'm getting used to this.
I actually did that. I got the winning on that one.
It'd be like that, is it?
Well, after that exciting double dip, we finally made it to the campground. Well, we're still going to get on dry land yet. Joe's still got her shocks and her sunglasses, quite amazingly. Well, he's loving the dynamic of the small kayak. So efficient, look at that. Em made it. Did you get wet, Em? No? Well, kayak's out. Time to set up the tent. Look at this, Joe's doing a great job. And she's freezing. Everybody else is giving it a go. Hammers are out, tent pegs are being drilled in. Yeah, it's a beautiful afternoon. Oh, it's fire starters. Beautiful and calm. Even got a table, luxury. Dehydrated slop. What's the
Good slop though.
yeah. Emma's really saying it's great, but everybody else's faces is saying it's not. And then these guys are roughing it, having steak. And pork chops and coleslaw there. That proper little cooking table. So the question is, what is that? You can see it's growing on that tree there. Morning has broken. People are up after a really relaxing sleep. All packed up, living by the country code, taking nothing but pictures, left nothing but footprints, and killed nothing but time. Fully loaded. Of course, the futurals are last, as always. Sun smart, it's good to see.
You can put them in now.
The only smart he is, I think. A little bit of shallow stuff, dragging it through up there. A bit of dragging going on. This is looking gnarly. There's a log there, and then I don't know how we're going to get under that one. I think we're looking at capsizes. Sam in the bathtub. Here's Sam too. No, oh. Oh, what's happening here? Are they up against that? Uh-oh. That's it, you got to paddle hard. He's laying the instructions out. Go, 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 well done. All right, left side. Oh, wow. Yeah. No carnage. All good. Yeah, there's nothing to see here. No excitement. I'm going to jump in the boat. Yeah, very tranquil and lush. Bit of a pontoon raft up. Break time, coffee time, hot chocolate time. Another little break at about 15 k's of the 25. Everybody's raring to go though. Like, no breaks. Full of energy.
Looking good, Sam.
Awesome.
Come on, mate, you can flip it. You know you can.
Put that camera away.
No, don't say that. Tell me you're not good.
So we made it. Everybody's out. Everybody's still alive. No strokes, no heart attacks. Bonus. What do you say, Bertie?
Happiest 2 days.
All done. Bye-bye, Brisbane River. Bye-bye. So are you taking advantage of the early bird booking for next year? Finally packed up. Let's go home. And of course, Andrew's got a 4-wheel drive challenge to get out. Just as we thought everything was over and we were going home, bottomed out the bus. But no dramas. Andrew's got a winch. He's just towing him off. There we go. Operation move the trailer and get it back on safely. Perfect.